Hello guys, this is Moses and Winters, and this right here is my pal, Froggers. Say hello. Hello. Blah, blah. And now we're gonna go release him over here. Oh my god. And we're also gonna go show you guys this over here. Look, this is where I go release him. There's tons of ants, and he'll probably like it here. Wait. This guy camouflages awful good. As you can tell, look. See how camouflage he is? Okay. But he was camouflaged of how he was turned like this. And yeah, it was crazy. Today, when I was feeding them, Spike chased me up his one house. Yes, go for the other side. Okay, let's go for the other side now.
Because Spike wants to be a butt. He's already at the thing.
You guys keep talking, that's our neighbors. Come on, Mom.
Stop. Hi, you guys. This is Mom
and Son Adventures, and we are gonna go check out the damage near our house.
So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a limb way up there
And over here too.
that's broke. And there's some right here. Quite a few, actually. And you know what that is? That's bonfire wood right there.
Yep.
Wood for a bonfire.
And
some right here. Hey, if we could come back here before Spike notices us, we could show you some shingles that fell.
Yep.
And look,
Follow me, guys.
so you can tell, look how much it cleaned up.
Wait, hey guys, just follow me this way. It's a lot safer. And I'm gonna show you guys what used to be a honeysuckle bush. That used to be a honeysuckle bush. And over here used to be a honeysuckle bush. Which is now gone. And look.
Yeah.
Right there.
Now, if we can sneak back here without Spike seeing us, because Spike's wanting to be a total ass.
Yep, pain in the butt.
Yes, very much so.
Okay. Come on.
Sneak.
And look. This is good word for the ghost. Hey, Junior.
See? There's some wood out here.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm gonna keep this one right
Wood
here.
here. Don't let Spike hear you. And, oh, look at the babies come running. And there's, like you said, there's some shingles right here. See? Shingles, shingles.
Spike's coming! Oh crap! Wait, just... No! Oh crap!
Go. Go. I'm not messing with Spike. Not today. Here he comes. Not messing with Spike today.
Okay, here we go. Coming in a minute, probably.
He'll be right around that corner in a minute.
Yeah.
I don't have no water gun.
Hey, I got water gun. A bucket.
But anyways, yeah. I don't feel like messing with Spike today.
Ooh, I'm worn out.